9 out of 10 drivers will face an engine repair between $4,000 and $8,000 before they ever see 200,000 miles. And here is the scary part. Every single one of those repairs is completely preventable. Mechanics already know the 12 habits that stop this from happening. They use them on their own vehicles, but everyday drivers are completely unaware. Today, I am exposing all 12. Stay until habit number 12, because that one single habit costs you nothing and can save over $4,000 on its own. Let's get into it. Habit number 1, the cold start rule. You start your car, put it in drive, and pull out immediately. Feels completely normal. But here is what is actually happening inside your engine right now. Your oil has not fully circulated yet. Your cam lobes, which are the parts that control your engine valves, are running dry for the first 30 seconds. And cam lobe damage is silent. But your mechanic will find it, and the bill will be somewhere between $2,500 and $4,000. The fix is free. Sit still for 30 seconds after a cold start before you drive. Habit number 2, the oil change interval trap. Most drivers trust the little sticker on their windshield. 3,000 miles or 5,000 miles, whatever the shop puts up there. Here is the problem. That shop does not know your driving habits, and if you do a lot of short trips under 10 miles, your oil is degrading twice as fast as that sticker assumes. Short trip driving never fully burns off moisture inside your engine. That moisture mixes with your oil and creates acid. Actual acid sitting in your crankcase, eating your bearings. A new set of rod bearings will cost you between $1,800 and $3,200. An oil change on the right interval costs $60. If you mostly drive short trips, drop your interval by 20 to 30% from whatever that sticker says. Simple adjustment, massive savings. Habit number 3, the coolant flush. Most drivers think coolant just keeps the engine from overheating. What most drivers do not know is that coolant also has a built-in anti-corrosion package, and that package breaks down over time. Once it is gone, your coolant starts eating the aluminum in your radiator, your water pump housing, and your cylinder head from the inside out. The result is a blown head gasket, that is $2,800 to $4,500 at a shop versus a coolant flush every 50,000 miles for $80 to $120. Here is the part no one tells you. Most coolant does not look bad when it goes bad. It still looks fine. The only way to know is to test it with a strip that costs less than $10 at any auto parts store. Do it every 2 years. Mechanics test theirs without fail. Most drivers never test it at all. Habit number 4, the transmission fluid myth. This one makes people genuinely angry when they hear it, because dealerships have been telling them the exact opposite for years. Most modern vehicles come with a label that says, lifetime transmission fluid, never needs changing. Here is the truth. Lifetime means the life of the warranty, not the life of your car. Automatic transmission fluid breaks down from heat. It loses viscosity. It stops lubricating the clutch packs correctly. And when that happens, your transmission starts slipping, and then it fails completely. A transmission replacement runs $3,500 to $5,000. A fluid change every 30,000 to 40,000 miles costs $150. I have seen 180,000-mile transmissions come out in perfect condition because the owner changed the fluid on schedule. I have also seen 60,000-mile transmissions completely destroyed because the owner trusted the lifetime label. Do not trust the label. Habit number 5, the brake fluid. Brake fluid absorbs water from the air every single day. Over 2 to 3 years, that water content builds up inside your brake lines. When you brake hard from highway speed, that water boils, your brakes fade, your response time drops, and long-term, that moisture eats your brake calipers from the inside, turning a $40 fluid flush into a $1,200 caliper replacement. Test your brake fluid with a moisture meter every 2 years. If water content is above 3%, flush it. The meter costs about $15. The peace of mind costs nothing. If you are still watching, you actually care about making your car last. Hit like and subscribe, because the habits coming up are what separate 120,000-mile engines from 300,000-mile ones. Habit number 6, the spark plug timing mistake. Most drivers wait until they feel a misfire before changing spark plugs, and by that point, it is already too late. A worn spark plug misfires before it feels like a misfire. That means raw unburned fuel is passing into your exhaust, straight into your catalytic converter, where it burns at 1,600 degrees. After enough misfires, the converter is melted. That is $1,800 to $2,400 to replace. A full set of spark plugs on schedule costs $80 to $150. Change them on time. Do not wait for the symptom. Habit number 7, the PCV valve. Almost no shop will bring this up unprompted because it does not generate much labor time, but ignoring it generates a lot of repair money later. Your PCV valve, which stands for positive crankcase ventilation, pulls blow-by gases out of your engine and recirculates them. When it sticks or clogs, pressure builds inside your crankcase. That pressure pushes past your valve stem seals and your rear main seal. Suddenly, you have oil leaks, oil consumption, and a mechanic telling you your engine is worn out. A PCV valve costs $8 to $20. Replacing your rear main seal costs $600 to $900. Change the PCV valve every 30,000 miles. It is a 5-minute job. Most drivers have never even heard of it. Habit number 8, tire rotation. Most drivers think this is just about even tire wear. It is not only that. Uneven tires create vibration that wears your wheel bearings and suspension faster. A $30 rotation every 5,000 miles prevents a $400 wheel bearing replacement and $800 in suspension work. Habit number 9 is battery terminal cleaning. Corrosion on your battery terminals creates resistance throughout your entire electrical system. It confuses your alternator, drains your battery, and on modern vehicles it throws false fault codes. I have seen drivers spend $400 diagnosing a sensor issue that turned out to be a corroded terminal. Baking soda, water, a wire brush, 5 minutes. Free. Habit number 10 is your cabin air filter. Most people replace the engine air filter and forget the cabin one. A clogged cabin filter stresses your HVAC blower motor. A blower motor replacement runs $350. A cabin air filter is $18. Habit number 11, the turbo cool-down rule. This applies to more vehicles than most drivers realize, because almost every new car has a turbo now. Never shut off a hot engine immediately after hard acceleration. Your turbo spins at 100,000 revolutions per minute. When you cut the engine, oil circulation stops. If the turbo is still hot, that oil cooks into carbon deposits inside the bearing housing. That is turbo bearing failure, and it costs $1,500 to $2,800 to fix. The solution is to idle for 60 seconds after highway driving. Habit number 12, the one that separates 120,000 from 300,000. This is what I promised you at the start, and here is why it matters more than anything else on this list. It is your warm-up routine, specifically what you do in the first 3 miles after a cold start. Here is what is actually happening mechanically. Engine tolerances, which are the gaps between your piston rings and cylinder walls, and between your bearings and crankshaft, are designed around operating temperature. At cold start, those gaps are slightly too wide. Your oil viscosity is too thick. Metal-to-metal contact is higher. Every hard acceleration you do in the first 3 miles is happening while your engine is still outside its designed operating range. Most drivers go full throttle within the first mile, every single time, and every single time they are pulling microscopic material off their cylinder walls that never grows back. The drivers I have seen reach 300,000 miles, and I have seen them after 10 years in this industry. Almost all share the same habit. They drive gently for the first 3 to 5 miles, under 3,000 revolutions per minute. Light throttle. They let the engine reach operating temperature before they ask anything of it. It costs nothing. It takes no extra time because you are driving those miles anyway, and this one habit alone can add 80,000 to 100,000 miles to your engine's life. These 12 habits are the difference between a car that dies at 100 to 20,000 miles and one that is still running clean at 300,000. Most shops will not tell you these things, not because they are secrets, but because informed drivers do not generate $18,000 in avoidable repair bills over a decade. If you learned something today, hit like and subscribe, and drop your current mileage in the comments below. Tell me which of these 12 habits you had no idea about before watching this. I read every single comment.